Hello. In this product demo, I'll show how EstateCRM helps a real estate developer manage marketing, sales, and customer service, from the first inquiry to key handover. The demo is split into blocks. You can watch it in order, or jump straight to the section you care about using the menu on the left. EstateCRM is more than a CRM. It is a developer's digital operating system that runs all key processes: marketing, sales, mortgage, contract management, key handover, analytics. It brings teams, channels, funnels, and documents into one environment where everything is under control and every next step is clear and manageable. EstateCRM works for any property type: apartments, commercial units, parking spaces, storage rooms, country houses, and serviced apartments. For each type, you can define your own processing rules, documents, and funnel, while still managing all processes from one platform. Now I'll show how the EstateCRM interface is structured. It's unified for all roles, from marketing to legal, but each employee sees only what relates to their tasks. This reduces workload and speeds up lead processing. On the left is the main menu with sections. In the center is the workspace where lists and record pages are opened. On the right is the panel with communications and notifications. It receives alerts for calls, email messages, and chats, including social channels such as WhatsApp and Instagram, as well as task and event notifications. At the top, there is a button to switch between workspaces for different user roles. EstateCRM is built around workspaces. Each role has its own interface, set of sections, and access rights. Marketing sees one set, sales sees another, and the call center sees a third. This removes unnecessary information and helps teams focus on what matters to them. Next, I recommend continuing with the marketing module, where marketing campaigns are built and the link between advertising activities, marketing spend, and sales results is tracked. You've seen how workspaces, sections, and communications are organized in EstateCRM. Book a call, and we'll show how to quickly build your role and access structure so each employee sees only what they need. And now, continue watching the other system capabilities. Marketing in EstateCRM covers activity planning, budget tracking, campaign execution, and channel analytics. A key capability is linking marketing to sales so you can evaluate not only lead volume, but also lead quality and outcomes. The homepage brings together key metrics: lead dynamics, channel effectiveness, and core funnel breakdowns. It's a quick overview that helps you see the situation without manual pivot tables. Dashboard metrics can be configured. Next, we'll go to the marketing plans section. Marketing starts with activity planning. For each activity, you set a budget, log actual spend, and the system then calculates cost per lead and effectiveness for each channel. Next, we'll go to the marketing events section. This section tracks all offline and online events, exhibitions, showings, agent events. The system links every lead to the event so you can measure results. Next, we'll go to the marketing campaigns section. Marketing campaigns is about managing customer communication through trigger scenarios. Who receives which message, when, and why, to move the customer through funnel stages and reduce leakage. Campaigns are valuable because they remove dependence on the personal discipline of individual employees and turn communication into a repeatable process that can be improved over time. Next, we'll look at our most recent campaign. We'll click it and open it. The built-in visual trigger campaign builder lets you define what happens when a customer opens an email, does not respond, or books a meeting. Developers typically build these chains for different stages such as qualification, viewing, and contract. This helps retain the customer and shorten the sales cycle. Next, we'll go to the email section. The built-in email campaign builder lets you create templates, segment audiences, launch bulk campaigns, and track customer behavior. For example, who clicked a link about parking or renovations, and then immediately create a lead and a notification for the call center so the customer can be contacted and invited to the sales office. Next, we'll open the Campaign Results tab. The system collects full analytics on outgoing emails, deliverability, opens, link clicks, and conversions at each step. You've seen how activities, budgets, and leads connect inside EstateCRM to evaluate channels by outcomes. Book a call and we'll break down which reports and lead quality stages fit your sources and projects. And now, continue watching the other system capabilities. EstateCRM brings all inbound channels into one window: email, telephony, messengers, and web forms. This allows the call center to process inquiries quickly, lose none, and hand them over to sales with the right qualification data. The main section in the call center workspace is Leads. All inquiries from every channel are collected here. They can be created manually, imported from Excel, or received automatically. Let's open the latest lead created in the system. At the top, you see the initial customer details that entered the system when the lead was created. Most often, it's only a phone number, if the lead came from an inbound call, but it can include more data. Next is the questionnaire, which you can tailor to your needs. The call center operator fills it in during the first contact. After completing the questionnaire and confirming the lead's need, we can click Process, and the lead will be assigned to a call center employee. After processing, the lead moves to the qualification stage. The system checks for duplicates. If the customer is new, the call center employee can pass the lead to an available sales manager. EstateCRM supports automatic distribution across 7 scenarios: manual, least loaded, round robin, and others. After the lead is handed over to sales, the call center employee switches to the next lead. At the same moment, a sale is created in the system, and the sales manager receives a notification. Let's switch to the sales workspace and finish the call center module demo there. We'll click the sales workspace. In the sales section, we can see the newly created sale from our lead, Alexandra. This is where the sales team begins their work. You've seen how the system helps capture every inquiry, qualify faster, and hand leads over to sales with context. Book a call, and we'll set up queues, routing rules, and response control for your call center. And now, continue watching the other system capabilities. The sales module is the main workspace for sales managers. It helps capture customer needs as sales, move the customer through funnel stages, and select and reserve units in a few clicks. The sales section contains all current sales in the company. You can see the customer name, the stage of the sale, creation date, and other details. Sales can be viewed as a list or as a Kanban board, moving deals between stages. Let's open the most recently created sale. The sales record shows all key information: customer questionnaire, funnel, interaction history, and call center comments. Sales funnels can differ depending on property type. The system also supports a separate funnel for rentals. At the top, you see an automatically assigned task for the manager: schedule a meeting with the customer. The manager captures the need, the budget, and invites the customer to a meeting, either at the sales office or on site. After that, the system moves the deal to the next stage. To do that, we click the task completion icon. We select the appropriate outcome in the pop-up window. After that, we can see the system automatically move the sale to the meeting stage. During the meeting, unit selection begins. The manager selects options based on parameters and shows the customer available units. To do this in the visual selector, we open the Profit Base tab. Unit selection is done through a visual availability grid. Different views are available, so the manager can work comfortably, by floor, by section, and in other formats. The system supports different reservation options: free or paid, with or without price lock for different periods, and with queue management. When the customer chooses an option, the unit is added to the deal. This locks the choice and moves the process to the next step. After reservation, the deal moves to the contract stage. The system opens contract creation and hands the process over to contract management. The manager fills in the initial details for the contract draft. After that, the contract is created and passed to the contract management workspace. You've seen how a manager moves a deal from meeting to selection, reservation, and into a contract. Book a call and we'll adapt stages, tasks, and controls to your real funnel and sales standards. And now, continue watching the other system capabilities. In the contract management module, you manage the full contract lifecycle, from drafting to registration with special software to sign contracts. This section stores all customer contracts. Each contract goes through its own funnel: drafting, approval, signing, registration. Let's open the most recently created contract record. The contract record contains key parameters: parties, unit, date, terms, and the current stage in the contract funnel. You can also see the contract funnel from draft to customer signing. Right now, we are at the preparation stage. Contract print forms can be generated in Word or PDF with automatic data merge. Templates can be kept up to date and updated without complex development. You've seen how contracts are handled in EstateCRM: templates, approvals, signing, and payment schedules. Book a call, and we'll show how to align approvals and documents with your authority matrix and standard deal terms. And now, continue watching the other system capabilities. The mortgage support module guides the customer through stages: questionnaire collection, documents, bank interaction, approval, and attaching the outcome to the deal. All mortgage requests are collected in one register. You can see statuses, deadlines, and owners. Let's open the mortgage approval record for a customer. A mortgage can start from a deal or a contract. The specialist moves the request through the funnel, collects documents, records bank decisions, and attaches the final mortgage contract to the main deal. You've seen how mortgage is managed as a clear process with statuses and documents, so deals don't stall. Book a call and we'll build a mortgage scenario around your banks, roles, and timeline checkpoints. And now, continue watching the other system capabilities. After a building is commissioned, it's important to run move-ins on a clear schedule and record inspection outcomes. In EstateCRM, key handover is managed as a controlled process. When the building is ready and the developer can invite customers to move in, a move-in schedule is created in the system. Customers are booked into available time slots via the built-in calendar, and each appointment is recorded. Let's go to the key handover appointment register.